Hey Indiegogo! Meet Helen and her partner, Pulch. They have different responsibilities, but the same goal. Helen needs an additional screen to complete her work, and Pulch is here to help her. Pulch will hold Helen's phone with its magnetic sensors, and Pulch is very easy to use. Just one hand is enough to be able to attach your device to Pulch. It's so tiny that it doesn't even require much space. You want to learn more? Pulch is very comfortable to use, especially when walking outside. Detaching your phone from Pulch needs no effort. Just take it and that's it. The magnetic energy of Pulch is so strong that you won't have to worry about dropping your phone. You'll attach and detach your device right from the first try. Are you impressed? Pre-order your Pulch now with a special discount and free shipping only on Indiegogo.
The places we've worked, lived and played have changed. The air we share and breathe can spread harmful particles. What if you could bring a technology trusted by hospitals and airports into your home and business? This is Clean Tech, the world's most powerful and safest UVC air purifier. We are bringing medical-grade technology in an impossibly small form factor safely into your office, your home, your favorite places, your gatherings, and where you feel most safe. Today's air filters trap and collect dust particles, not eliminate them. The CleanTech difference? We combine HEPA-level filtration with the highest intensity and exposure time of 254 nanometers UVC light in its size. UVC is dangerous when exposed to skin and eyes. We've safely intensified it with mirror-grade reflection and almost zero light leakage. It can safely be used 24/7. CleanTech is 3 times more powerful and effective than the best-selling product on the market. We maximize exposure time with our vertical design and vortex airflow technology, and years miniaturizing the technology inside massive medical UVC machines. Now, you can bring peace of mind, safely and beautifully, in all the spaces you spend time. Support CleanTech and let's get back to life.
Air pollution is a common threat to health. This is where the PureMe mask comes into play for effective protection. PureMe is a true airtight respirator, like a gas mask. With a medical-grade silicone facepiece, it can be folded for easy storage. Once unfolded, there is plenty of space inside to breathe smoothly. The straps on PureMe, once put on, make an airtight seal. Combined with the facepiece, it will fit people of different face shapes. Additionally, it will cause no stress to your ears and can be put on and taken off easily. PureMe is built with minimal parts. With airflow design, air will go through the filter on one direction to extend filter life. As you exhale, air along with humidity and heat will exit through to keep it cool and dry. You will quickly find PureMe comfortable to wear all day. It is unrestrictive yet blocks out the majority of harmful particles. As the filter is placed inside a pod, PureMe is splash-proof that you can wear during a shower. It will protect you against air pollution, allergens, dust, dirt, and more. With its groundbreaking design, it is both lighter and smaller than respirators with comparable protection. For example, PureMe weighs only 1/3 of the other respirator. The filter of PureMe is modular. This means you can swap out for a new filter or upgrade to a P100 filter cartridge in just seconds. Alternatively, you can strip it down just as easily for a complete clean. The whole respirator can be machine washed. The silicone face piece can even be washed in a hot water cycle for extra sanitation if required. With a detachable extension strap, you can wear the mask over your neck when it is not needed. PureMe, the gas mask that you can wear every day.
Over a year ago, we set off to create the most powerful air purifier that can fit inside your pocket. We had no idea we'd be launching it amidst the worst air catastrophes in our generation. Wildfires, pandemics, on top of all of the things we already deal with every year, allergies, seasonal flus, and good old pollution. Introducing a revolutionary way to purify air. The 6G Cool cleans more air than you normally breathe in a minute, delivering over 5,000 liters of fresh air on every charge. We combine decades of industry expertise in air purification with innovative design. Rather than cleaning the air in the room you're in, like what a traditional air purifier would do, the 6G Cool creates a personal zone of clear air around your face. It filters out over 99% of common air pollutants. We designed it against everything that could harm you in the air you breathe. Rigorously tested, innovatively designed for your life on the go, 6G Cool can follow you anywhere so you can breathe clean air everywhere. And how does it do it? That's the science bit. The 6G Cool employs our 6th generation purification technology, a multi-step process combining industry-standard HEPA filtration with state-of-the-art HECO filtration. Over the last 2 months, we've had to deal with a lot of additional tests to make sure the 6G is 2020 proof. The design has been completed, the product has gone through initial testing, and we are now moving into production with our manufacturing partners. Please join us on Kickstarter to bring this product to reality. "2020 has changed the game. Are you ready for life under the new normal? Breathe easier with 6G Cool."
We touch things every day, all day. Good things, bad things, dirty things, and whatever that thing is. And all that touching leads to germ spreading. The average person touches their face 500 to 1,000 times a day. Wouldn't it be nice to have a quick, easy way to sanitize your everyday things? Deep Purple by Moshi is the world's first ultra-thin, foldable, portable sanitizer. By using the UVC LED lights, Deep Purple sanitizes all your personal accessories from 99.9% of viruses and contaminants in just 4 quick minutes. Use it at work, at a restaurant, on your commute, at home, or anywhere you are. In addition to being ultra-thin, Deep Purple is the first sanitizer to have a full 360-degree clean at once. No need to flip your objects to clean the bottom side. It's the internal reflective design and built-in LumiClear platform lifts your items off the base so they can get fully sanitized from top to bottom every time. And best of all, When you are done, simply fold the origami base design down flat and tuck it away. It's that simple. Deep Purple uses UVC LED lights instead of lamps, which means they will last for ages. Truly, you could use Deep Purple 10 times every single day, and the LED lights would last for more than 10 years. Plus, Deep Purple's safe design doesn't carry the risks of other sanitation devices. Deep Purple doesn't contain any mercury, and it is built with 2 fail-safes to protect you at all times. As we all begin moving forward in this new way of life, we have to reduce our germ exposure. It's hard when face masks are necessary, but so many end up in landfills. We need to be germ conscious while still decreasing our environmental impact. Easy, safe, and super portable way to do just that. Help us give you the peace of mind you deserve in your daily life. Please, back us today.